This product is the 3M 7551 A1P2 Half Face Respirator Kit. It's one of the most popular respirator kits in the SafetyQuip range. It looks like this out of the box, and it comes in packaging like this. In a moment, I'm going to open that up and have a look at what's inside. The respirator is used for many spraying applications, like spraying pesticides and herbicides, for spraying many paints, often enamel paints or acrylic paints. It shouldn't really be used for 2-pack paints. It's often used for fibreglassing, for degreasing, for various chemical handling applications, and it's also got a particle filter inside. So the particle filter is handy for work involving masonry products, so cutting concrete, cutting bricks and pavers where silica may be present. Now, when I open up the box, you'll see that it's a sturdy box. It's almost airtight, so it's great for storing the filters in, the gas and vapour filters when they're not in use. Once they've been opened, that'll preserve the life of and extend the life of the filters by way of it being stored in an airtight environment. So inside that box, this is the respirator itself. So this is the 3M 7500 Half Face Respirator. Now, what I like about that respirator is it's made from a silicone material that's very soft against the face, soft against the skin if you need to wear it for a long period of time. And I also like the direction of the exhaled air that comes out of the respirator comes out through a valve that's tucked away under there. It's called a cool flow valve, and it's designed to direct the exhaled air from the body down rather than just out. So exhaled air that comes out of the respirator from the body is often humid, and if it goes straight up or up a little bit towards eye protection, it often fogs up glasses or various eye protection. So that cool flow valve pushes it down, and it's less likely to fog up eye protection, goggles and glasses. Great little product. This is the gas and vapour filter. So that's the 3M Organic Vapour Filter, the A1 filter. It's a 6051 part number. Now, that part of the filter is the section here that has the brown label around it. So that contains charcoal or carbon that's designed to absorb gases and vapours. Now, the second part of the filter is a particulate filter. So these white pads are the P2 particulate filter. They clamp on the top of the gas and vapour filter and are held in place with a retainer cover. That's the retainer cover. Now, there's two sets of the particulate filters that are supplied in the kit. You'll often find that you'll go through more of those P2 filters than you will the gas and vapour filter. There's a couple of respirator cleaning wipes. That's those there, they're in little sachets. There's a little guide on when to change respirator filters. And there's a guide on respiratory protection from the manufacturer. That's got some great information in there about alternative filters that go on this particular respirator, how to clean the respirator, how to store the respirator. There's also another guide that is written in a bunch of different languages that were in that other bag. So that's the 3M 7551 A1P2 Half Face Spraying Respirator Kit, one of the most popular in the SafetyQuip range. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.